Hello friends, welcome to my channel Atanu Khatua. Today I am discussing about IPL 2020 match number 32, Venue Abu Dhabi KKR versus MI. So first of all, I covered all the previous matches scorecard they have played. So first of all, I go through this. So first I going to sorry, first I going to Kolkata Knight Riders. So first of all, Kolkata. I just give you the information of the total runs. So here Gill scored total in 7 matches. He scored 254 run and last and in oblique I give the last match run. So and last match he scored 34. Then Rahul Tripathi excellent so far, but last match coming to the lower order. I think today the management will give him chance Rahul again to the upper order, and I think Banton will be out from the playing 11 and Lockie Ferguson will come into the squad straightly. So Rahul last match scored 16 and he come in the lower order. Rana scored 159 and last match fail, getting run out in and scored 9 run. Morgan last match he scored 175 and sorry total he scored 175 but last match he scored 8. Dinesh Karthik total scored 108 but last match he failed badly, just scored 1 run. Then coming to Russell, their best all-rounder, but this time he totally failed with his batting. So hope he will come back soon, and then there is a very important for Kolkata Knight Riders to Russell come back. Russell totally just scored 71 runs, 71 run and last match he scored 16, but he contributed with a ball very excellent. So he got total 6 wicket. If you think then every match he can get wicket, and he also ball in a death over, so must try him. Last match he got 1 wicket. Cummins total he contributed with his bat also. He scored 73 runs and last match he scored only 1 run, but he got 2 wicket. He bowling ball 3 over in a power play. So not if you think the opponent two opening batsmen will score big, then you must drop him. There is no logic behind if you taking De Kong and Rohit Sharma and then you taking Pat Cummins. There is useless. If you think then if you making him captain Rohit and you also taking De Kong as a vice captain also, then you are taking Pat Cummins also. Then no logic. So because he bowled 3 over in a power play, so you keep in your mind. So I think if you take both, then you drop Cummins. I think Ferguson. I added Ferguson because I give you the playing 11 also here. So I think Ferguson will play. I think 90% chance he will play today. Then coming to Nagarkoti ball excellent. He scored four. Total he got 4 wicket. But last match he bowled excellent. Last in his spell, he in last over he just get run by ABD. Otherwise he bowled excellent. Now coming to Prasidh Krishna, he got 4 wicket and last match he also got 1 wicket. Barun Chakrabarti excellent so far. He is a architecture also, so obviously you can try him today because he is a game changer. I think for today's match, I discuss all my tips in section. I will give you the explain why Barun Chakrabarti. Then coming to Kolkata Knight Riders, all the I given here all the stats. If you want any other stats from here, we play Chris Green, you play, then you can go through this. So those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. After subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also go through this all the stat and you can also screenshot it. So here we come to the Mumbai Indians stat. So first of all, in Mumbai Indians, you all know about Hitman and De Kock. Hitman total scored 216 runs, but last match he failed badly. But today is a very crucial role for Hitman, and he is a excellent record against KKR. But he failed today also. That unfortunate. But he has a good record against KKR. But in the other side, De Kock has a very bad record against KKR. So you have to understand that battle. De Kock last match he scored 53, but if you go through the all history and everything, he has a bad record in against KKR. So De Kock total score 119 runs. Last match he scored 53. Surya Kumar Yadav, the one and only player I like him most because he is a classy player. So uh, if Surya Kumar Yadav also known the KKR team very closely, so obviously you can think about it and you can. I think he will be differential pick for today's match. Also, you can try him obviously in your team. Then coming, he scored 233 runs, but last match he scored 53. Obviously a good man. Then coming to Ishan Kishan scored 186. Last match scored 28. He playing very attacking, so you must try him. Hardik Pandya total score 135, but I don't know why team he is in a team, but he has a. If you playing Dream 11 in your thinking, then he has a. You have to understand the fantasy potential. In your fantasy potential, if Hardik Pandya not bowling, they decrease the fantasy potential. So you have to understand that. Then coming to Kunal Pandya obviously excellent with his bowling, but today I have some point against Kunal Pandya, so you have to understand that. Now coming to James Pattinson, he is excellent so far. He got 9 wickets in total, but last match he got wicketless. Rahul Char also a game changer for today's match also. So here is a big ground in Abu Dhabi, so must try him spinner all. Now come he got 7 wickets, but last match he could not get wicket. But their leading wicket taker is Bolt. Bolt got every match wicket. Bumrah, you see in 2-3 matches he get wicketless, but Bolt is only one and only player of MI. He got wicket every match. So obviously must pick in your team Bolt. So he got 11 wicket. And last match he also get 1 wicket. Bumrah got also 11 wicket, but last match he got wicketless. So I have some word from Bumrah. If what is in first innings, second innings in my special tip session, you will wait for that. Now I coming to the all stats, all 2019 stat from IPL and Mumbai Indians players. So if those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And you also got all the stat. Those who need this stat, you can screenshot it one by one. I give all the stat, all the player stats, so you can go through this and also you can screenshot it. If any new player playing from the squad, then you can try him. So obviously this stat will help you. So now I coming to my special tip section. So here I coming to my special tip section. So first of all I coming for Headman. So obviously all love and for Headman. So Headman is a very much effective in Eden, but also in UAE he is very much effective. See, and he scored 904 run against KKR. So you have to understand that. Obviously he has a good record against KKR. I am a KKR fan, but still I am talking about Rohit Sharma, and he's a good record against. You can try him captain also. I try him as vice captain, but in match situation I can also try him captain also. So it depends on me how the toss will come, and it's. So next point is KKR weak against Malinga and Hardik. Both are not available from for the bowling side. Yes, KKR weak against Malinga and Hardik, but both are not playing. But this so this is the point. But Bolt is excellent with his bowling, so obviously he's a good threat to the KKR. Russell and Karthik have an excellent record against MI. Seriously, for all history you can go. Yeah, Russell and Karthik has a good record against KKR. Karthik failed last match badly, but he's a good touch in his bat. See, you can if all player going with De Kock, Ishan Kishan, but nobody going with Karthik. But last match Karthik scored 50. If he come upper order and scored 50 and De Kock failed badly, then you can easily give the potential, and that much potential easily won in small leagues. So obviously you have to keep in your mind, think about the differential pick. Now coming to DK has taken 50 runs with 23 balls. He has faced Bumrah without being dismissed. So you can understand why I am talking about the DK. Then coming to Russell has scored 59 of 33, being dismissed once. Russell also bowling over whereas Nadin was not available. Nadin not available for his bowling action report, so he bowled full over. So Russell ball full over. I think the best choice for captaincy today is Russell. He is not much getting potential with his bat, but if he scored 30 to 40 runs with his bat and got 2 wickets, you just imagine how much he give the point. I think 60 to 70 points he give easily, because he ball in a death over, and AMI loss is many wickets in death over. So obviously you can keep think about that. You have to understand that little point. Now coming to bold have both they against both score 82 runs, but also 3 times dismissal. So obviously, then coming to Rana will be a good point for today's match. He has a good record, so you must try him. Okay, Rana last time he failed badly, but he has a potential to hit big. So then coming to, but head-to-head record, MI and KKR have most lopsided history. MI won 20 matches out of 26. But yes, obviously MI is a strong side, so obviously you can. But here in this UAE, the toss will be very much effective. So much because the pitch will be slower now, and in the second innings the pitch will slower more. So you have to here is the toss will be more effective for today's match. Now coming to Gill. In point number 9, I coming to Gill. Has a good form, but he has a poor record in a second innings, all against MI. So you have to understand that point. All know about Gill, all taking to going with Gill, but you have to understand that Gill has a bad record against MI in second innings. So this thing will be help you. This will be risky, but if you understand the logic and research, so you have to understand. Now coming to Pollard also a good fantasy potential player, so must I know. Obviously, he gives you the point with his batting, bowling, fielding, everything. He is playing in a long run, so obviously he has a pattern. Obviously, he is a fantasy potential player, so you must try him. Kunal Pandya not much effective. Why not much effective? Because more lefties in KKR. So he is a left arm orthodox. So left arm orthodox mainly create problem to the right hand batsman. Here total opening total one down and middle order played by lefties. Then he is not much effective. So you can understand that. Then coming to KKR will be KKR will add Lockie Ferguson for Tom Benton. Yes, I think Tripathi will come to the upper order, and they added Tom into I think Lockie Ferguson for Tom Benton. Then coming to Bumrah is not effective in fast innings, but more effective in second innings. Yes, there is a big difference of his bowling. He not much effective in a fast innings. If you go through all the stats, you see Bumrah is very much effective in second innings. If MI bat first, then must take him Bumrah. Okay, if MI bowling first, then if you take risks on Bumrah, it will workable, I think. Then coming to De Kock was expected fail earlier. He's a bad record against KKR. Said earlier. Now coming to Rahul Chahar. Rahul Chahar was a very good record against KKR. So you can must try him. Now coming to Surya Kumar Yadav. He has known KKR team very closely. So I think he will be the good threat for KKR, and he can also he already scored a big run. I think he will score big today also. Varun Chakravarti can be a game changer. Again, I told 2 player names will be the game changer. One is Rahul Chahar, and second is Varun Chakravarti. Ground is big, so these two bowler can be a game changer. Okay. Then Hardik from fantasy potential picks, not much value this time. Obviously, Hardik not bowling today and not much effective, and also not with his batting also. So if you think about it, I think he will not much effective. So now coming to the default pick and differential pick. So here I coming with I think the default pick, I not included De Kock in my default pick. I think it's a very bad record. So if you going with De Kock and Rohit Sharma, then I am personally talking to leave Pat Cummins. So here I can give you the default pick: Rana, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit, Russell, Pollard, Bumrah, Gill. I taking here Bumrah, but one thing I discuss about Bumrah from first innings, then must drop him. If he balls second innings, then must take him. So you have to think in your mind. Now coming to defensive pick. Defensive pick Nagar Koti, excellent ball in the last match. He just Kohli not understand his bowling and he missed every so obviously you must try him. Then coming to Prasidh Krishna. Prasidh Krishna also a good form and he ball well. So obviously then coming to DK. Why DK? I am explained everything. So you have to understand. I am not much favorable for if I am a supporter of KKR. So if you think that's why I talking about DK, no, I am not talking about DK. I am talking about DK from the fantasy potential and the history between the two teams. So you have to understand. Then coming to Tripathi is excellent from he not getting. Yeah, I think he will getting chance today in upper order. So you have. So if not Tom Benton play, then must Tripathi will coming to open. Then coming to Rahul Char, I explain all things. VC means Varun Chakraborty, so obviously not vice captain. So obviously you can understand. Then Ian Morgan, obviously 50% people not taking Ian Morgan, but obviously you can understand the potential of batting is Ian Morgan, so you can take him. Kunal Pandya, I explained about Kunal Pandya, but in generally you can try him. So I think if you taking him Kunal Pandya, then I think the 2-3 right hand batsmen from KKR you can drop him because he get wicket. Then he got wicket of the right hand batsman. So you can try. Then coming to Ishan Kishan also a good defensive pick. You can go through. I explained all the stat and all the 18 tips. So one by one, I think hope you enjoy it and all. If you use these tips, you can obviously get good result. I expect that. So here I conclude my video. Thanks for watching this video. So ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো এবং অনেক প্রবলেমের পর ভিডিও আপলোড করছি, অনেক প্রবলেম পর এবং অনেক কিছু। সো আই থিঙ্ক তোমরা সবাই সাপোর্ট করবে। সো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।